Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we have totally new type of video. We are operating both presses at the same time. We have two crushing teams today. On the old press we have Hanna and our new video editor Otto that I scanned. Actually he is going to be cleaning the worm tools for the most of the time. And here is our second team. This is team super high speed. We have Bob the Bot 300-ton press and new, just arrived a couple days ago. Our 4K Kronos is finally here. And this is production unit, not a prototype like we had some time ago. So this is much better image quality and easier to use. Yeah, I messed up the Sony shot for this. It didn't record for some reason, which is a shame. This would be super nice because it's moving in at the same time when this is happening here. But the new Kronos camera looks really nice and sharp. I'm really pleased with this one. You can zoom lot in the 4K picture and this is 1000 frames per second. So it's also plenty slow and yeah, looks just super nice. I'm expecting lot of new like cool high speed shots with this camera. It needs a bit more light than the full HD, so we are going to still use both. Yeah, and today's goal is just crush lot of stuff, try out the high speed camera, and then I have some robot stuff that I want to also try out. So here we go. And this one is filmed in full HD, so it's faster, it's 2000 frames per second. And this is 10-bit color. If you go to 8-bit color, it's even faster. I have to try those out, what's the like difference, which is better for my use. But this looks also really nice. Team Wormmaker is ready with the new one. What you have?
Carrots. We have lots of carrots. Let's see what happens.
The sound was nice. Hey Anna, what is your opinion about the fact that you used half a year on building that?
Yeah.
And now you are back here?
Yeah. It's a bit nostalgic, but I'm a bit bitter for you because you have owned the new studio there and we are here cleaning the setup.
I am also ready here with the next crush. It's a bit bright, but we have soda bottle and I put the Fresnel lenses on my lights. I used my cell phone's like brightness measurement app. I have no idea how accurate it is. It feels quite accurate and it said that there is 110,000 lux here at the soda bottle. So these are pretty bright. And I switched the camera to horizontal like this and we are running 2000 frames per second and that gives us full HD resolution with 10 bits. Okay, and now you can see my wolf workflow. So this is now recording. Then I put the Bob on starting position. Yeah, we are going to start from here. Then all the press settings are good, I don't have to change them. Then I crush from here and put the Bob to move from here. And then when everything is done, I will stop this from here. Okay, so that on. Yeah! Yeah, I think the Bob shot didn't work exactly perfect, but this looks nice, and this is also full HD, 2000 frames per second, and yeah, looks nice. I think that's going to be super cool with this, especially when this was moving. Bob wants to also try the new camera. So I'm going to put it here. I just realized, by the way, that Bob doesn't know Bob. Okay, the Bob or the Chronos, both they cannot autofocus. But
Can you?
I'm going to focus it on like one position, and it's going to be quite good, I hope. Okay, I got informed that the Wormmaker team has made something spectacular.
Yes, we are very proud. We proudly present you
What
some
is
pumpkin.
What is that?
It's pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Or
Yeah, I have to say that you have done really well here today.
thank you. I think this is our peak today.
Yeah, it's only one way down from here.
Yeah, but this is the angle you want to see. This is it.
Look at this.
Yeah, this is the money shot.
Yeah.
Okay, moving the pot was too difficult. It's really hard to keep this thing on the focus, but I have some solutions in my mind to fix the focus problem, or to keep just the pop on the right distance at all times. I just need a bit more time to learn it, but now we are going to film this, and I have my macro lens here. It's 100mm lens, so that's a really good close-up shot in 4K. Okay, the light is too harsh and the crush didn't work either, but you see a lot of like really small details. I think I will probably get some use for this macro lens. That's on. I realized that it's way too difficult to have this so close. The 100mm lens is just too long. So I got it out from the bunker, and let's try some glass. I try also to match pop the pot with the press. So press goes down and pop goes forward. This was also terrible. This isn't sharp and the pop cam was total shit. But you have to learn this, so it's good. I have no idea. Write down in the comments how was it. One thing that is even better than the picture is the workflow with the new camera. There is internal SSD where you can save all the things. It takes 1 terabyte and it's really fast to save stuff there, and then on end of the day you can just move them to external hard drive. So it's much faster, and you can save stuff even like raw images. For example, this is just raw images in a row, and that leaves more room for like editing corrections, so really nice. I have to admit that you were the more productive team today.
Yeah.
You
were using more your brains.
I was experimental.
Yeah, that's true. That's very well said.
Yeah, this was a bit of like summer video. We have mostly been on summer vacation. We are doing like a couple days a week of work and then enjoying the summer. And we have great plans for end of the summer. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.